Hello everyone, in this video I only show you how to clone any GitHub repository and run it in your local machine. So let's start now. So the first step, you have to go to my GitHub profile, and I leave profile in description box, and please check it out, and then click these links one by one for client side and server side code. And after open GitHub repo on your browser, you need to click on the code button. After click the button, it will appear copy icon. Click here and open your any terminal, and then type git space clone, give a space, put the copied link and hit the enter key, and it will start downloading the code from the repo. Once you have finished the download, then type cd space your GitHub repository name, then hit the enter key. Now type code space dot and hit enter key. After that, you should put this private variable in your env file. If you don't have any env file, please create it now, and you will get a Stripe public keys from your Stripe dashboard. Now type the command npm space start. It will take few minutes. It's depend on your computer configuration. Then final outcome will be like this, as you can see. Now let's move to server side part. In the same way, you can clone the server side code, and then you should fill these private variables one by one. For example, Mongo URI is provided by MongoDB database, and JWT secret keys you can generate by yourself. And if you want to see where is the variable state, you can search like this way. I hope you can get search result like this: Mongo _URI. Now final step is just type this command npm space run space dev. Now it will start your server side. After that, you will get the connection success message in your console. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.